This is the 5th year of the FIS Fintech Accelerator, how far we've come, and we just could not be more excited. I assure you this will be the best year yet. You know, tough times create great innovation and great innovators, and we are seeing that firsthand and just privileged to be a part of doing this program for the 5th year.
The FIS Fintech Accelerator is key to bringing to market the most innovative, leading-edge technology innovations for FIS clients. The 10 companies selected for the 5th year of the FIS Fintech Accelerator, in partnership with the Venture Center, bring a wealth of promising ideas and technologies. We're working with these entrepreneurs to bring their solutions to life, and all of our FIS clients have the opportunity to play a critical role.
Thank you, everyone, for joining, and to certainly FIS for once again entrusting us to run this program for you. As Wayne mentioned, I'm Daniel Schutte. I'm the Managing Director of the FIS Fintech Accelerator at the Venture Center. Spencer touched upon this, and Wayne did as well. This year was a challenging year to run a program like this. This program was initially slated to begin June 1st. Our program is an on-site program generally, and we see tremendous value in that. Setting up the one-on-one meetings between bankers and founders of fintech companies. And so, of course, what we did at that time was delay the start until August 5th, because by then, as we all know, this COVID thing is certainly going to be cleared up, right? And so moving a program like this that has a multi-million-dollar impact on a city and that touches thousands of people is in and of itself really a Herculean task. And I'd go so far as to say doing something like that in just a week or two is something that shouldn't be possible for a 55,000 employee company like FIS is. But it was, and they made it happen. And then, of course, taking that same program and switching it from a in-person on-site program to a virtual one is also in and of itself a near impossibility. FIS moves with a speed and a dedication to innovation that no company of its size kind of has any right to. And we've yet to see its equal in any other company that we do work with. And so I just wanted to thank them for that and for having the agility and the wherewithal to get that done. So a program like this, those Herculean efforts don't happen easily, obviously. And there's a lot of people who you will never hear about, or they won't usually talk on these kind of calls. And so as opposed to telling you more about what we do, there's a couple of things I do want to make sure that I do say before going on. If you're a banker, a credit union executive, financial institution executive, and you haven't yet locked in your visit, please do that. We will absolutely oversubscribe this year with a virtual format, and I'd strongly encourage you to get that in really in the next 5 days. We'll send an email following this up if we haven't already started communications with you, and you can reply to that and we'll get that process going. Also want to take this time to draw some attention to a few names. We didn't get to hear from Esther Pig on this call or Orny Boudet, but they came in late to the program and have really had a tremendous impact on the FIS side. Collins Andrews, Wayne mentioned earlier. Collins, along with me, we looked at we interviewed 80 companies for a half an hour over a 4-week period. In this room, you can't see it because I've got this great background, but we spent a lot of time in this room. And so Collins also deserves credit. Then also want to thank Carl, Asha, and Ram, and Amit Agarwal from the Code Connect side, Cindy Jackson and Russell High, Lisa Dill, Ty Tyree, Harish Prasad, Jim Casil, Rob Harris, Vivian Van Zyl, Scarlett Smith, Ted Brown, Scott Dowdy, and Nicole Brascia from FIS, who've chosen to work with these companies on a one-on-one basis. What we did this year was different because we had this extra time right up front since we pushed it back. FIS has used these 6 weeks leading up to the accelerator to really build out some use cases, as Spencer touched upon. And we want to get the opinions of financial institution executives over the 12-week acceleration period. But we are where we should be at the end of the program right now starting it. And I'd argue we're actually ahead of that phase. And so thank you everyone for all the work they did in that. Chris Berry is the final person we want to thank. Chris runs point on the accelerator for FIS, and these things take a lot and are hard. And if you're not sending 100 emails a day, then you're very lucky when it comes to these. That said, we just heard from the first, I think, 7 of my bosses when it comes to this program. And I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce you all to the next 10. And so with no further ado, Laura, Ravi from Stratify, will you say hello? Tell us a little bit about yourselves.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Daniel. Hello, everyone. I'm Laura Kornhauser, co-founder and CEO of Stratify. Stratify's platform helps financial institutions improve risk-based decision-making across their organization, while also doing super important things like mitigating unconscious bias and ensuring regulatory compliance. These are decisions like which loans to approve or what to investigate for potential fraud. And our technology does this by allowing customers to combine their expertise and institutional knowledge with machine learning. This combination delivers individualized decisions that are also highly scalable, repeatable, and audible. Decisions that are replicate the decisions that your best experts would make in those situations. No black boxes with Stratify, and our unique level of transparency provided by our platform allows users to proactively identify and mitigate bias in their models and ensure that their models pass various regulatory needs. And you also don't have to be a data scientist to use our platform. So a lot of great things there. And I'd like to just take this last opportunity to thank FIS, the Venture Center, State of Arkansas, City of Little Rock. We feel welcomed by you even though we're not there in person, and also like to thank everybody on this call for your time and support. We really hope to have the opportunity to meet all of you either in person or virtually in the coming weeks. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you, Laura. And then next we have Securetech from Mumbai, India, Anand Pankit.
Yeah, hi. Hello, everyone. I'm Anand Nayak, co-founder and CEO of Securetech, a 7-year-old organization that Pankit and I started as first-generation entrepreneurs, having spent over 25 years each in industry with companies like Symantec, IBM, Sun Microsystems. We are very excited to be a part of this journey with the Venture Center and FIS as a part of our growth endeavor to grow in North America. Businesses today are trying to adapt to this new normal where employees are working from home and their interactions with their customers are moving online. Hackers are taking advantage of this, with cyber attacks increasing at unprecedented levels during this pandemic. Relying on old, cumbersome, and multitude of security technologies to protect this environment is not an option anymore. It is in this context that Securetech finds its relevance. We started our journey with a vision to simplify security by consolidating the technology landscape. We deliver on this vision by offering cutting-edge artificial intelligence-based security products in the areas of device security, user access security, and comprehensive round-the-clock threat monitoring and response. These products are simple to use, quick to implement, and with least cost of ownership that eliminates the need to spend inordinate amount of time and skills development for your businesses. Between these three offerings, we reduce the number of technologies from over 12 to 3, making it easier for organizations to improve their risk posture. Our team of over 350 security professionals and with more than 80 customers across US, Europe, and Asia, including several in the financial sector, and awards from across the globe, are a testimonial to our track record and acceptance in the marketplace. It is time to take control of your security with Securetech. Thank you, and I would like to thank all the dignitaries present on the call also. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Anand. Appreciate it. And next up, we have David Brooks.
Thank you so much, Daniel. I'm thrilled to be with you. Greetings, everyone, from Evergreen, Colorado. Another sunny day here. I'm David Brooks with Cirrus Secure. Cirrus has hosted over $8 billion in loans and reflects my personal 20 years in financial services, most recently as a commercial banker. And commercial bankers are often left behind in some of the fintech work that we see. So we're working to solve that. We rapidly enable banks to offer complex commercial loans online, creating a fantastic experience for the borrower and the banker alike so that you can double your production while reducing costs. And as Spencer and Daniel alluded, the incubation phase of this program has enabled Cirrus to quickly integrate with FIS, and it's been fantastic. It's a result of the commitment of many folks who've already been mentioned, but I'd like to again thank Cindy Jackson and her team, Russell High, Jody Sutton, and Chris Berry, my fellow former BB&Ter, for all of their their dedication to our shared success. We're thrilled to be working with FIS to help banks offer commercial loans online, create a fantastic experience, and double their production. Thank you so much.
Thank you, David. And up next, we have Andrew Galasek from TrustAmp.
Thanks, Daniel. Hello, my name is Andrew Galasek. I'm the president and a co-founder of TrustAmp based here in Atlanta, Georgia. TrustAmp brings a new level of privacy, security, and access to identity using artificial intelligence. With over 15 billion personal records exposed in 2019 alone, stolen identities have led to fraud and mistrust in financial systems at a time when people are really depending on access to financial services to get through this severe and widespread hardship. So TrustAmp transforms biometric and other personally identifiable information into irreversibly anonymized tokens that protect personal information from hacks and leaks while complying with regulatory mandates. So TrustAmp's customers include some of the largest financial institutions in the world, including Synchrony and MasterCard. And we're really thrilled by this opportunity to work with FIS and really anyone in their network facing this challenge of bolstering customer privacy and security.
Outstanding. Thank you very much, Andrew. And up next, we have Abhishek from DASIC.
Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining us. Really appreciate your time. We are DASIC at really changing how the world collects. Our AI-based collection strategies are able to improve the current collection strategies, and they're able to engage the consumer and collect in a more human way. We have seen a massive demand for our product increasing as we are going through this hard times of COVID, and banks and lenders are forced to, from regulatory perspective and from a consumer experience perspective, are taking a hard look at how they collect and how they engage their collection accounts. So we are able to not only improve the consumer experience, but being also able to collect more dollars and make the whole collection process much more efficient for the lenders. Please, thank you for your time, and really looking forward to connect with each one of you in more days to come.
Thank you, Abhishek. And now we have Victor presenting for ExpenseOne, I believe.
Oh.
Are you there?
Yes. Hello, everyone. My name is Victor Yefremov. I'm a president and co-founder of ExpenseOne. We're located in beautiful Spokane, Washington. Banks don't have proper digital tools that they can offer to their small and medium-sized businesses to capture, control, and reconcile their business expense transactions, therefore forcing them to turn to non-bank providers such as Brex and Divvy, or expense management companies such as Expensify, Stratify, and others, which up until now has been partners with banks, but now started to launch their own expense/business credit cards. This is where we come in, as we're working exclusively with financial institutions offering a completely bank-branded product offering that they can offer to their small and medium-sized businesses to capture all of their expenses in one place, which is your online banking. Our product can increase your business retention rates, top of wallet choice, and give you competitive advantage you're looking for. We're pretty excited to be part of this accelerator, and we're looking to talking to you in the weeks to come. Thank you.
Thank you, Victor. And up next, we have calling from a very different time zone, Andy from Cylot.
Hello, everyone. My name is Andy, the founder and CEO of Cylot. We're based in Singapore. So we are an AI company providing decision engines for banks. From the name of Cylot, it's meaning by using technology to connect silos. The silo can be data silo, operation silo of the bank. So we're trying to consolidate and make the real-time decision become possible. So our mainly focus is on SME and merchant side. So from onboarding to KYC and real-time underwriting and cross sales. So those are the areas we are focused. We have footprint across Southeast Asia and Japan and also Middle East. So we are very, very excited to partner with FIS to trying to enter US market. Really appreciate and looking forward to work with FIS. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Andy. And next we have Marla Johnson from Little Rock, Arkansas.
Hi, everybody. I'm Marla. I'm the CEO and the co-founder of LeapExcel. And yep, I'm in Little Rock, Arkansas. First, I want to thank everybody at FIS and the Venture Center. You've been amazing. I've learned so much from you. I only wish I could welcome the cohort in person and show off Little Rock, which I love. After successfully building software for decades, my co-founder and I decided that we wanted to create a platform where anyone could build their own software and bring data from any source into one clear picture. So we saw that banks were trying to use spreadsheets to do this, which raises incredible enterprise risk. And one bank president even told us that we knew we had issues with our spreadsheet reports, but we didn't know until now that there was anything we could do about it. With Leap Excel, a no-code data transformer, we have a solution. You can connect to all kinds of data, and you can upload any spreadsheet. That includes, by the way, data from the FIS core now. You can drag and drop your way to custom insight reports. You can create rapid application prototypes, even mobile apps. Every change is automatically recorded, and it's super easy to reduce your risk on spreadsheets and also to create auditable reports out of everything that you have. So in the end, you have a complete picture of all your bank business and a controlled process for adding new real-time data. And best of all, you can trust and certify your bank product's profitability without worrying about hidden issues in your data. So we would love to inspire banks to find ways to use Leap Excel, because actually we believe that it's you, the customer, who is the future of fintech. Thanks.
Thank you, Marla. And the next company is Batu Sat from MallIQ.
Thanks, Daniel. Hi, everybody. My name is Batu Sat, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of MallIQ, which is a location intelligence and AI platform out of San Francisco and Istanbul. As the founding team, we have both PhDs in electrical engineering, experts in machine learning and indoor location technologies, and have over 30 years of experience in academia, industry, and startups. At MallIQ, we empower banks to understand their customers' purchase intent in the physical world, in shopping malls and downtown districts, and make it insightful and actionable through real-time mobile push notifications as well as personalization. Nowadays, customers have even more ways to pay, but this creates a problem because banks, if you use another bank's card, the bank doesn't know about it. Essentially, we are reading your customer's mind and allowing you to deliver offers at the right time and location before they make a purchase in order to increase your wallet share, the frequency, retention, and activation. We serve more than 10 million monthly active users globally, and we have clients such as BNP Paribas and Samsung. And we are delighted to work with FIS, and please find us and talk to us if you're interested. Thank you.
Thank you, Batu. And the final company is Nicholas from Surfly.
Hello, everyone. I'm Nicholas Piel from Surfly. We're based in Amsterdam, and Surfly provides co-browsing and video chat technology that helps you support remote customers as if you're sitting side by side, seamlessly upgrading any conversation from any channel with just a single click. We make real-time interactions incredibly easy. Your customer simply clicks a link or a button, and their co-browsing session instantly begins on your own website, portal, or app. Unlike other meeting tools like Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams, your own branded property becomes the communication platform, and your customers will not need to install any third-party software. Within a co-browsing session, you're also able to mask sensitive data, such as social security numbers, credit card numbers, or PIN codes. All of this means that using Surfly, you can innovate on your digital communication while at the same time stay compliant and offer a secure solution. We're based out of Amsterdam. We service over more than 100,000 users worldwide, and we've seen tremendous growth just the last year. We've won numerous awards with our technology, and we are stoked to be part of this accelerator. And we look forward to help FIS partners to accelerate the digital transformation. And I really want to thank the Venture Center team to prepare us in this way that we can now start doing this together.
Outstanding. Thank you very much, Nicholas. And so that concludes the 10 companies that are in the program.